Are you ready for a super easy project and fast? Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, friends, I started with this little wreath. I got it from Joann Fabrics. It was 80% off. So I got it for like $1. I know. So we're going to just take the tag off and listen, I'm going to tell you right now, prepare your surface. I have a piece of parchment paper underneath and it wasn't enough. I have some Tim Holtz distressing spray. I think this one is walnut, and I'm going to spray the pretty little flowers with this one. Now, again, you want to make sure this is like an alcohol spray, so you want to just let it dry. It doesn't take long, but I go over and I just spray all of them. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I love it. All right, so then I'm going to layer it, and next I'm going to do this one. I can't remember the color, but make sure you shake it up, and then I'm going to do that one and spray all around with that. And then lastly, these come in a pack of 3, by the way. So then this one is like vintage photo, I think. And then we're going to spray it with that. This one gave like a smoky look to it. I love it. All right, so then we're going to flip it because, I don't know, I just want it to be all over those colors. And then we're going to do the same process. We're going to do the walnut, and then I can't remember that second color. And then the vintage photo was the last one I did. And again, I used my little heat gun to dry it just because I'm telling you right now, this stuff gets everywhere. So just be aware of that. It stains a little bit too. So just again, be aware of that as well. I suppose you could dilute paint and use that, but this I felt like worked really well. And again, I used my heat gun just to dry it. Ta-da! And I'm going to show you next why you need to use an actual surface. Look at this all over my table. It was fine. It cleaned up fine. Whatever. Anyway, so then I have this Dollar Tree little vase thing, and I put that inside. And then to make it fall, I have these little pumpkin picks. They're not picks. They have like little alligator clips on the ends. And I'm just going to put those on. I'm just going to hook them on. Are you kidding me? Look at how easy and fun this. Listen, friends, this cost me like $2. 3 if you count the vase. Like what? Listen, I am trying to be better about my kitchen table and getting girly and, dressing it up. So this is perfect. And then I thought, wait, we could put candy in the inside of this. I know. I'll look for any reason whatsoever to put candy around my house. It's a problem. Love me through it. It's fine. But then I thought, all right, maybe a candle. And this is just an LED candle that I had gotten from Dollar Tree. And it flopped over. It's fine. We'll stabilize it. It's not a big deal. But look at how pretty this came out. And look, I took several different pictures because, are you kidding? Look at how pretty. Oh, I love it. And it was so easy. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.